Today, we will learn about Donald Trump. Donald Trump is a businessman, a TV star, and President of the United States. Many people know his name. Many people talk about him. Some people like him. Some people do not like him. But his life story is interesting. This video will tell his story in simple English. Listen carefully and enjoy the story. Donald John Trump was born on June 14, 1946. He was born in Queens, New York City, in the United States. Donald grew up in a rich family. His father's name was Fred Trump. Fred Trump was a successful businessman. He built many houses and apartments. Donald's mother's name was Mary Trump. She came from Scotland. She was kind and caring. Donald had 4 brothers and sisters. He was very energetic as a child. Sometimes he was hard to control. Because of this, his parents sent him to a military school. Donald Trump went to the New York Military Academy. This school was strict. Students wore uniforms. They followed rules. They learned discipline. The school helped Donald become more confident. He learned leadership skills. After military school, Donald went to college. He studied at the Wharton School at the University of Pennsylvania. This is a famous business school. He studied economics. He learned about money, business, and management. In 1968, Donald Trump finished his studies. He was ready to work. After college, Donald joined his father's company. The company was called the Trump Organization. At first, the business focused on housing in New York. Donald wanted to think bigger. He wanted to build large and famous buildings. One of his first big projects was a hotel. Donald Trump worked on an old hotel called the Commodore Hotel. The hotel was old and broken. Donald helped rebuild it. The hotel became the Grand Hyatt Hotel. This project made Donald famous. People started talking about him. They saw him as a young and bold businessman. After the success, Donald became more confident. In the 1980s, Donald Trump built Trump Tower in New York City. Trump Tower was tall and beautiful. It was on 5th Avenue. Inside the tower, there were offices, homes, and shops. Trump Tower became a symbol of success. Donald Trump loved gold, luxury, and big designs. His buildings showed his style. Donald Trump also invested in casinos. He built casinos in Atlantic City. One famous casino was the Trump Taj Mahal. The casinos were large and expensive. At first, they brought attention and money. But later, they caused problems. In the 1990s, Donald Trump faced serious money trouble. Some of his businesses lost money. He had a lot of debt. Many people thought his career was over. But Donald did not give up. He talked to banks. He made deals. He sold some businesses. Slowly, he recovered. This period showed his determination. Donald Trump was not only a businessman. He liked being in the media. He appeared in newspapers and magazines. People knew his face and voice. In 2004, he became a TV star. He hosted a reality TV show called The Apprentice. On the show, people competed for a job. Donald judged them. His famous words were, "You're fired." The show was very popular. Donald Trump became even more famous. Over time, Donald Trump's name became a brand. His name was on hotels, golf courses, buildings, products. People around the world recognized the name Trump. For many, it meant luxury and power. Donald Trump has been married 3 times. His first wife was Ivana Trump. They married in 1977. They had 3 children: Donald Jr., Ivanka, Garrick. Ivana helped with the business. Later, they divorced. Donald's second wife was Marla Maples. They had 1 daughter named Tiffany. That marriage also ended. Donald's third wife is Melania Trump. She was born in Slovenia. They have 1 son named Barron Trump. Donald Trump is also a grandfather. For many years, Donald Trump talked about politics. In 2015, he announced something big. He said he wanted to become president of the United States. Many people were surprised. He ran as a Republican candidate. His speeches were strong and direct. He talked about jobs, borders, and America. In 2016, Donald Trump ran against Hillary Clinton. Many people thought he would lose. But the election results shocked the world. Donald Trump won. He became the 45th President of the United States. Donald Trump became president in 2017. His presidency focused on the economy, immigration, trade, foreign relations. He wanted to build a wall on the U.S. Mexico border. He also changed many policies. Some people supported him strongly. Others protested against him. In 2019, Donald Trump was impeached by Congress. This means he was officially accused. However, he stayed in office. His presidency was full of debate and strong opinions. In 2020, Donald Trump ran for president again. He lost the election to Joe Biden. After the election, there was confusion and anger. On January 6, 2021, people attacked the U.S. Capitol. This event shocked the country. Donald Trump left office in 2021. He returned to business life. He continued to appear in the media. He also talked about politics. He hinted that he might run for president again. Donald Trump's life is full of success, failure, fame, and controversy. He was a businessman. He was a TV star. He was a president. His story is still being written. Whether people like him or not, Donald Trump is one of the most talked about figures in modern history.